Yeah, I have joined QSpiders in January. First, I have the course as SQL Sangeet sir. He taught me SQL, how the implementations in the SQL. After that, I have joined Java batch, which is by Amit sir. He is a sir which, if he doesn't he means, I have no knowledge about Java. Also, I have joined WebTech, which is taught by Tamil Selvan sir and Atul sir. Through 7 months, I have learned from Java and Advanced Java and also Spring Boot by only Amit sir. He only teach me all the knowledges and technologies based on the classes. So I need to give a special thanks to the Amit sir and also my buddies who motivates me and make patience for get a job. So for that reason, I will thank for my buddies also and HR madams and QSpiders teams also. A special thank to QSpiders teams. Thank you.
Super.